Hey guys, part 2 of Bee Swarm Simulator.
We just got new pets, like Exhausted Bee and another Hasty Bee, because
And I'm still not fast enough.
she hasn't gotten the gold egg and the
I'm trying to get fast.
thing.
I want that egg. I want it.
Yeah, she wants the gold egg so she could get like something pretty good.
Bee.
You want this egg? You want.
Okay, so let's see how many moons I had to get.
I died at the Mondo.
Get up.
I
Oh.
am
Parkour. Parkour.
newbie.
Let's get up here.
Because she needs to get the gold egg and the
I had to get 100 moon charms.
Here's a tip for all the new players that haven't really watched the Bee Swarm Simulator stuff. They're in like your kind of midway through, like you've got to like 25 area maybe.
30. Okay. Let's go up here. I'll show you where the gold egg is.
There's the werewolf cave, and if you have enough,
The gold egg is up here.
yeah.
I heard you, Sprout,
So in the next video,
and I see you, Sprout.
hopefully get a lot.
The Sprout, the golden egg is inside of this cave right there. Now I'm just gonna go to that Sprout, even if it's just a regular Sprout. I just want to go get stuff. No one even just took anything. Should I sprout another Sprout? I have a Sprout. I'm a little tea Sprout, short and that's the wrong song. Sorry that I don't edit. I just don't know how to. Let's go. Oh, there he is. Say hello. Okay. How'd you do that fast? Okay. Let's go keep mining. What? Okay.
Make sure you have like some treats, like sunflower seeds.
I don't have any sunflower seeds.
Okay, don't use your treats right now or any types of treats yet.
Okay.
After you get this, I'm gonna leave you to get it. Mine. Help you.
I'm not going fast. Sunflower. Royal jelly. I almost got a royal jelly.
Yeah. Wait, did you use your magic bean?
What? No. No.
When I have a good idea, right? So follow me.
Okay.
Gotta go up here.
Da, da, da. Sorry, the singing. I just addicted. Hi, little sticky bug.
You go here, after the portal hive, after the parachute, after the super, and after the honey dipper, no you have. And then, you have how many moons do you have?
How many moons I have? I have 95.
Here, do you want speed?
Yeah.
Go back. Go back. That will go on your thing. It will give you a little bit extra speed forever. And it will give you more bag, and your bees will move a little faster. That's what I have.
Right
And
now.
I can move a little faster with it. So yeah, that's a good tip for getting some more speed. My sister got the hasty guard.
I'm not fast.
Now put this sprout in here.
Oh, there's so many. There's so many.
Get lots of trees. Or actually, wait, don't. Wait until nighttime and then come up here. Oh, honey storm.
Honey! Honey is money. Honey is money.
Honey storm is where you get like tons of honey.
Yes. You get tons of honey at Honey Storm. They're really good. And you just get lots of honey. But all I need right now is speed. I need that ticket.
You can also summon one if you have full legendary.
Now, I'm waiting. We gotta wait until night. Let's just stay here for a bit. I spawned that. All I need right now is this speed. I haven't got it any more faster. Where are you?
I'm at the top area where you said that. So in the last time we tried fighting Mondo Chick,
Yeah.
kind of worked. Dying.
Wait, are you fighting Mondo Chick?
Yeah, I'm fighting Mondo Chick.
Oh yeah.
That's the mountaintop area.
Well,
You can't get to it.
what'd you need all the jellies for?
Yeah, there's only some time remaining. You gotta kill everything. Now, more. So we can get good stuff.
Yeah, I need good stuff too. I can get good stuff from the plant. I need this. Oh God! How fast am I gonna go? My V just got me so much speed. God! Jeez! I got 6 speed. I got 7 speed. I got 9 speed.
Go to the mountain thing. Or to like the cave. The cave.
Oh my God! Faster, fast,
Yeah, this one.
fast, 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 fast.
I have 4 speed that are level. That's cool. Oh yeah. That's KTV.
Ah! Took away all my speed. I'm going slow. Remember you said that would make you go faster? I'm not going faster at all.
It makes you a little faster.
Then I just wasted my moons. I have out tons of bees, so I'm trying to collect some.
Yeah, I got the 8-to-8 thing. I need lots
Mhm.
more trees.
Open, 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 open.
And I need to save up my gumdrop so I can get
Let's go.
gummy bees.
Hey, come attack this one. This one.
Gumdrop to just lay out everything.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
That way I can go to get
I just spikes. Well, let's go. Speed, 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 speed,
so I can
speed,
get the gummy bounce.
speed. You can die by them, by the way. And they're slimy and yucky.
Oh no. I might die.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no, not my
By the way, I have so much Robux. I'm just telling you because I never had that many before. Like I mean it. Maybe I should like buy stuff for this game. Okay, let's play. Yeah, I got royal jellies. I just got royal jellies. I gotta go to be my beehive. Die. I can't afford.
This is clutch.
I did that for no entire
No,
reason.
it's not gonna happen, all because my bees went to sleep.
My bees are not sleeping.
Happen. Come
Okay, let's go, go, go. Okay, so let's just get my honey.
on. Yes! I killed it!
He killed it!
Oh my god, that was so clutch. And I got all this stuff for myself.
I see his screen, and he has